today, feeling today. Oh, I just love that song. Now, let me tell you about this old gray cat. What does it look like the old gray cat is doing? You're right, he's sleeping. We're going to listen to a song about this old gray cat. And I want you to listen to see if this song is fast or slow or if it changes while we're listening to it.
The old gray cat is sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The old gray cat is sleeping in the house. The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping in the house. The little mice are nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. The little mice are nibbling in the house. The little mice are dancing, dancing, dancing. The little mice are dancing in the house. The old gray cat is creeping, creeping, creeping. The old gray cat is creeping in the house. The little mice are scampering, scampering, scampering. The little mice are scampering in the house.
Click on the screen and let's move to the next slide.